Hi there, this is your second tutorial for HTML, and this tutorial is for aerotechplusone. Now in this tutorial we are going to do indenting. Now indenting basically is spacing out lines, beginning of lines, to look very tidy when coding. Now we have this code here which I typed before the tutorial. Looks like this when it's tidy up, and the output is this. Hi there, welcome to aerotechplusone. This is an example of h4 tag. We have an example of h4 tag in this, which is here, the h4 tag, open and closing, and it's basically just text. Yeah, h4 tag is just text. We are in a header. h4 is header 4. It is after h3, smaller than h3. Okay, we are in the header division. Also, we are in the header division, which is that here. Now, div stands for division. ID header. Header is in quotes. This is above here. We have CSS in the web document, the HTML web document. Now, once CSS is in a web document, within the HTML web document, it's not as an external in the head tag, then obviously it will be in the style tag. So style, we have that here is HTML. This is the whole web document itself. We have background as black. Background as black. That there is a header. This is the division we created. Now it has a pound sign. Pound indicates that it's a customized block or division of the page. Pound sign, header, and we have some CSS variables in here, CSS values. Now HTML don't have a pound sign because HTML is a built-in object in HTML, such as forms. A form is a tag, HTML is a tag, UL is a tag, H2 is a tag, H4 is a tag. For the form input, the input is a tag, and the form is a tag also, and also in the select. But that form is form input, so you know where the input come from. The input and the select came from the form tag. Okay. The styles is embedded in the head tag. This is the reason why, because we also use it could be outside also, wouldn't make a difference. Would be outside the head tag, after the head tag, before the body, within the body, it wouldn't make a difference, but it looks much better like this, since we use external files being imported into the head tag. External files such as CSS files, the .css, similarly we have .html, or we could have .js, many other files. Okay, this is basically how it's going to look. So for this tutorial for indenting, you're going to go ctrl-z and disorganize it, make it look dirty. Now I can save this also, reload this, it's still gonna be the same. Now we are in the indent.html file, which is a file I created and saved already. And that's what we are in right now. We have run the indent.html file, indenting.html. Now right now, you see this whole text here right now, this code looks a little bit disorganized. We have less coding in here, but it looks a little bit tidy to you, but you don't actually understand which is for which. For example, you see that li there, closing li. Now if you don't have those highlights due to Java++'s compatibility, you don't know exactly which li you're dealing with. You might skip and create mistakes. Now in this Notepad++, I'm using a very cool theme, the style configurator. I'm using the Blackboard theme. We have many other themes like this one and this one, Twilight, many others. I go through all, so it looks very interesting. This one is for little girly girls or for little boys that act like little girls. And that's the Blackboard which I'm using right now. Yeah, so okay, now we have in HTML, we have head, we have style, we have many other tags in HTML. HTML is the parent tag of all those other tags: the style, the head, the division, the options, the labels, everything. Now also HTML has children. Those are these tags which it is the parent of. So head is a child of HTML, and style is the child of head because style is embedded in the head tag. As you can see, the head tag is above and below style. Style is in between. So we're going to use tab to indent. I'm just going to basically use ctrl. Why? Because I undid it a while ago, so I can redo it. Now this HTML part in the CSS tag is an indented. Use tab. Tab is, that's one tab here, that's two blocks of tab, that's one block of tab here, 1 2 3 4, that's tab. So oh my goodness, okay, I messed up the ctrl. Why? So I have to indent myself. So that just follow and you'll see exactly how it's gonna be. The header there is the heading for all those variables in CSS. I'm going to then twice. The reason why form here, header, and HTML is indented is because it is embedded in the style tag, so you look much tidier like this. So later on you'll learn about CSS, HTML, more of HTML, CSS, and those things. So don't worry, you'll get there. But most of those texts here right now, you won't understand it unless you already have a little bit of CSS in your memory. So just watch, and then we're going to you could just go back to the beginning of the video, see me scroll up and scroll down of how it was before, now it is right now. So in the body tag, we have this parent body. Body is the parent. We have a sub here. Header 2 is a sub. In header here is a sub. The division here is a sub, and in that division is the parent of H4 right now. We have H4 in the header. So that header is a parent of H4, a parent of the form, and in form we have UL. So UL is a child of form right now. LI is a child of UL right now. Label is a child of LI. Select is a child of LI. There's label. A label is just for select, but it doesn't label closes here, it opens here. Doesn't actually mean it's a child or parent of select. because it closes before select, the select tag. Select isn't embedded in label, so those options are embedded in li, so as label too. Okay, that just tidy up, and CSS have those very cool lines showing you exactly if it's aligned or not. Now that H3 is a child of that division up here, such as H4 form, but H3 is also in li, so it's a child of li. We have another li. Input is a child of that other li, and ul just closes it off. Now form 1, 2, this line straight up here, form is aligned, division and HTML. Now this is how it's pretty much gonna look right now. Very, very tidy. It doesn't go as a curve as we're trying to create a circle or something. Okay, division, also gonna space it once. So that HTML, the closing parent of HTML, since HTML is above and below all the content, is a parent of every single thing inside here. And the body opens above here and closes below here, and body is a parent of exactly everything highlighted right now. Division is a parent of everything highlighted right now, and pretty much everything else corresponds to its parent. So basically, when you save, it will look exactly the same way, but just that if you have to go edit our code, it will look much easier to interpret. So that's it. See you in the next tutorial.